Good morning, children. I am going to take math subject for second standard term 3 portion, children. Take page number 6, children. We are going to see ordinal and cardinal number. See here, Maya. Take page number 6. See here, this girl name is Maya. She is throwing some grains. One by one, birds are coming. Different birds are coming. And animals. Okay, we are going to see what birds and animals are coming. See here, Maya had some grains to feed the birds. She threw the grains on the ground. Some birds and animals came there one by one to have their food. The order they had the food is given below. See here, first number 1 means first. First what came? Crow came and had the grains on the ground. வீசுவோம்ல தினையெல்லாம் ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் நம்ம போட்டோம்னா கிரவுண்டில் போட்டோம்னா அது அனிமல்ஸ் அண்ட் பேர்ட்ஸ் யூஸ் டு கம் அண்ட் ஃபீட். செகண்ட் வாட் பேர்ட் இஸ் கம்மிங்? See here, to feed parrot. See children, parrot. Then third, pigeon. Then fourth, myna came. Okay. Then squirrel. Then last, monkey. So the order, we are saying the order of the number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. This is called ordinal number. Order means order, first, second, third, that is order. According to the order they came. So that is called ordinal number. See here, in a library, first 10 racks. First 10 racks means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First 10 racks are allotted for the magazines and dailies. Books that are arranged in the different racks from 11th onwards as shown below. They had ordered first 10 racks allotted for magazines, then dailies. Now from 11th onwards they have arranged the books. Okay, we are going to see now. It's in page number 7. See here. Order. 1 means, see here, ordinal number. First, F-A-R-S-T, first. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, first. Second, third, T-H-I-R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth, like that. This is called order. See here. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Then sixth, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Like that, 8th, 9th, 10th, like that it will come. See here, up to 6th only they have given. 6th, last monkey came. Now we are going to see this one. First, 11th, in 11th place what is there? In 11th shelf, GK book is there. 12th shelf, comics. 13th shelf, story. 14th shelf, science. 15th shelf, geography. Then 16th shelf, history. 17th shelf, mathematics. 18th shelf, games. 19th shelf, English. And 20th shelf, Tamil. According to that, they have given the answer the following questions from the above picture. We are going to answer now. See here. Page number 7. This is page number 7. See here. In 11th shelf, what is there? General knowledge. Then in 12th shelf, comics. Then in 13th shelf, story. Then 14th shelf, science. 15th shelf, geography. In 16th shelf, history, HISTORY. Then in 17th shelf, mathematics, maths. Okay. Then in 18th shelf, games, GAMES. Then in 19th shelf, English, ENGLISH, English. Then in 20th shelf, Tamil is there. Now we are going to see. Answer the following questions according to this given picture. If you see page number 7 means you will be able to understand. See here. Answer the following question from the above picture. First one is story books are arranged in the dash rack. See here, story book is in which rack? See here, in 13th rack. See here, 11th, 12th, 13th. Okay, this is called order. So you write in the dash 13th rack. Okay children, you also write in the book. First rack, 13th rack, 14th rack, 15th rack. See here, these books are arranged. Then the books on history can be found in the which rack? You see, books of history. See here, 16th rack. By seeing this picture, you should answer the given below. Second one, books of history can be found in the dash rack. See, which rack? Books of history, 16th rack. So you write here 16th. TH you should write 16, then TH you should put. Then third one, between which two racks are mathematics books placed? Between which two racks are mathematics books placed? Which two racks? See, mathematics is here, is in between, then this one. So 16th and 18th. Okay children, 16th and 18th only this mathematics is placed in between. So you should write 16th and 18th rack. Okay. Then fourth one, the English books are next to the here. English book, where is English? Is here. To which next that English is placed? 18th next only English is there. See here. The ENGLISH English books are next to the which rack? 18th. 18th rack. RACK. The next one, 5th one. The GK books are in the dash rack. General knowledge. General knowledge books are in the dash racks. See here, where is general knowledge? See here. Is it 11th rack? So here you write here 11, TH you should write 11th rack. Then 6th one, my favorite books are in dash rack. My FAVIVOURITE. Favorite means உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சது. What you like. உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப விருப்பமானது. Are in the dash rack. Say what you like. You can write comics or story. I like story. So, Mrs. writing 13th rack. What you like, you write here. Whether it is maths, games or comics, which one you like, you write your own. That's your choice. Okay, it's in page number 7. Now we are going to see page number 8. See here now. The calendar sheet is given for the month of 19. For November month they have given for the year 2019. We are going to see that one now. This is called ordinal numbers. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. It will be going on. That are called ordinal number. Now we are going to see page number 8, children. All of you take page number 8. If you are having 3rd term book only, you will be able to understand all these things. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult for you to follow me. See here. Okay, 14th of November and 29th of November are called the ordinal number. It represents the order of the number. See here, 14th and 29th of November. Are called ordinal number. NUMBER. Okay, children. See here, this is they are showing the order. 14th place and 29th place. The next one, 14 and 29. See here. Number 14 and 29. These are called cardinal number. Cardinal number. They are counting number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, like that. 69, 86. That are counting number. That are called cardinal number. See here. 14, only 14 and 29. They are called cardinal numbers, counting number. 10, 11, 12, 16, 17, 20, 30, 34, 36, 70, like that. This is 14th and 29th. These are called ordinal number. Can you understand, children? See, now we are going to see the November month. For that, we are going to answer the questions below the calendar. See, now I am going to draw the calendar. November month. They have given, first one is Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is calendar. Okay, see here. First, the month starts in Friday. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay? Ending up to 30. See, answer the following question based on the above calendar. First one, third Friday of November falls on. Third Friday. See here. 1, 2, 3. Falls on 15th of November. The date is what? 15th. Okay? Ordinal number. See here. Answer the following question. Based on the calendar, children, based on the above calendar. See here, you should write in this dash. See here, the third Friday of the November falls on dash. 15th of November. On 15th. Number 1. Third Friday. Third Friday of November. Falls on, see here, first Friday is on 1, second Friday is on 8, third Friday is on 15th November. Okay, you write here in the dash, 15th of November. Then second one is 7th of November 2019 falls on 7th. See here, 7th of date, 7th date. What day? It comes on Thursday. See here, 7th Friday is on Thursday. You should write there. 7th of November falls on Thursday. You should write in the dash, children. Okay, the next one. Third one, first Sunday of the month falls on first Sunday. This is Sunday, first Sunday. See here, this is called first Sunday. See here, this is Saturday, this is Sunday. Falls on 3rd. Date 3rd. So first ordinal number. First order of the number, no ordinal number. First Sunday of the month. முதல் Sunday சொல்லுவோம்ல, முதல் வாரம் of the month falls on falls on 3rd November. Okay, then the day 15/11/2019 falls on which week they are asking. See here, 15/11. Which week? First week, second week falls on 3rd week. See, I am writing here, children. 4th one, I will write down. See here, 4th one, the day 15/11/2019 on dash. Which week they are asking? Week of November. Say which week? 15th is on 3rd week. First week, second week, 3rd week. Then last one, 5th one, the 4th of November. For if na இப்போ நம்ம 4th of November falls on Saturday means then the dash of the November will be 3rd Saturday of the month they are saying. I will write 5th one here, children. If 4th of November then dash of November will be the 3rd Saturday. 3rd Saturday of the month. See here, if 4 is on Saturday means here it will come. If it is here 4 means then 18th will be on which day, which week they are asking. Third Saturday of the month. அப்போ அந்த 3rd Saturday என்ன டேட்டில் வரும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. இங்கே பாருங்கள், 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 4th. இப்போ 4th வந்து இங்கே சாட்டர்டேவாக இருக்கும். இங்கே பாருங்கள், if 4th of November falls on இங்கே 4ஆக இருந்திருந்தால் அப்போ 18th வந்து என்னவாக இருக்கும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. 3rd Saturday என்ன இருக்கும்னு கேட்குற. 3rd Saturday வந்து நமக்கு இங்கே வரணும், சரியா? 3rd Saturday Saturday இங்கே வரணும், நமக்கு இங்கே வரணும் 3rd Saturday. அப்போ என்ன வரும்ன்ட்டு கேட்குறாங்க. இப்போ இங்கே டேட் வந்து 4. ஓகே, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. அப்போ இங்கே என்ன இருக்கும்? 18 இருக்கும். அப்போ 3rd Saturday என்னவாக இருக்கும்? 18th of November will be the 3rd Saturday. Can you understand, children? இங்கே பாருங்கள், இப்போது இங்கே வந்து சாட்டர்டே வந்து 4 டேட்டாக இருந்தால், இருந்தால் இங்கே சாட்டர்டேயில் வந்து 2க்கு பதிலாக 4 இருந்திருந்தால் அப்போ உங்களுக்கு 3rd Saturday என்ன டேட் வரும்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அப்போ இங்கே நம்ம 4லேருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. டேட் இப்போ 4 தானே ஃபஸ்ட்டு சாட்டர்டேயில். இப்போ ஃபஸ்ட் டேட்டில் 4 இருக்குது. அப்போ 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Saturday, third Saturday, first, second, third Saturday. அப்போ என்ன டேட் இருக்கு? 18 டேட் இருக்கு. நமக்கு அப்போ இங்கே 18th of November இங்கே ஆன்சர் வரணும். சரியா? This is in page number 8, children. If you are having third term book only, you will be able to understand this. Calendar sheet will be there in the book, then only you will be able to understand and answer these questions. Okay, so you buy the third term book, children. Rest we can continue on the next class, children. Thank you.